Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto Unbox channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now, let's get right into today's topic, which is regarding Milady meme coin. We're going to be analyzing the chart to see what is happening with the price and whether or not, this could finally be the reversal. If you guys are enjoying these daily updates, guys, continue liking, commenting, and subscribing. And now, let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price right now, you guys can see once again, we have killed another zero. We have 6 zeros in front of the price. We're currently sitting at 105.962, up 16.3% in the last 24 hours in USD. Comparative also up 15% in Bitcoin and ETH comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, you guys can see it is approaching slowly but surely back to the $100 million market valuation. We're currently sitting at $92.1 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is also almost half of its market cap. So not bad in terms of what we were seeing yesterday. So now, of course, let's shift our focus towards the price. But before we do that, you guys know what time it is. It is time to look at Etherscan, 16,000 holders. Let's give it a refresh live. What if we do already? There you go, guys, 16,003 holders, and we're up 2% once again. And if we're really looking over the past week, and this coin, again, has been in the markets for about 8 days now, 8 or 9 days. And you guys can see every single day, despite the fact that it has seen retracements, we have seen the holder count growing at a tremendous rate. And that is a big plus point. So, that is nice to see, of course, and that's why we do daily, analysis so we can look back from yesterday to see what is happening today, especially projects like these that have a lot of hype around them, especially meme coin season right now. Of course, these things change daily. And that's why I really like showing you guys this, and you guys can see the holder count is increasing. So we need to keep that factor in mind when we are analyzing the charts. But now, of course, let's shift our focus to the price, see what is happening and where we could be seeing Milady going in the immediate short term. As always, guys, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So like I said, market cap, to be exact, we're sitting at $94.2 million. And maybe after I upload this video, who knows if we're already going to be sitting above $100 million market valuation. But so far, so good. And you guys can see some massive buys are coming in. If you look at the current buy orders, you guys can see majority of the buys are huge. We can see 13,000 US, and we can also see 4,000, 11,000. So basically, as you guys can see, people are buying up Milady right now. So let's analyze the charts a little further, see what is happening and what are some potential price targets we could be aiming for in the immediate short term. So, first and foremost, I just want to show you guys this so you guys can see. We have seen the price of Milady gone once again above that level of resistance. So guess what that means? That means a check mark. That is good. And this is exactly what I told you guys before. We need to see the price of Milady staying above this level of resistance. And as long as it does that, we are good in my personal opinion. And now this time around, guys, you guys can see the other 3 times we broke out of this level of resistance. We did see a massive spike towards the upside. Just yesterday, a few hours ago, we also saw a breakout, but we did see a retracement. But we're seeing another green candle formation forming. So could we potentially start heading back to all-time highs? It's very possible. But remember, guys, the buying pressure is still there. More exchanges coming on board. And now there's speculation that KuCoin is also accumulating Milady. Again, that's just speculation. We still have yet to hear from them. But I would not be surprised if KuCoin were to list Milady meme coin on their exchange because that is going to bring a massive exposure just on that exchange itself. So that's a huge plus point. And the reason as to why it's amazing for coins to be listed on exchanges is because not everyone wants to pay extra money in ETH fees. And as you guys know, right now, ETH fees are literally sky high. Some people are paying, last week when Pepe was hitting all-time highs, I was looking at ETH fees around $70, $80 US, and even more depending on the time. So you guys can tell no one really wants to pay that much gas fees. So that's why listing on exchanges is going to be a massive catalyst for newcomers coming in. But if I bring up the measuring tool for you guys now, if we see, you guys can see we are about just 72% away for us to retest that all-time high. So could we potentially do that before this weekend? In order for me to get a confirmation for that, we would need the price to break out of this 1307 cents mark. That is the next level of resistance that's coming up on our way. And if I bring up the measuring tool for you guys, that is a move of about 24%. I would be very convinced that there's a high chance if we do break past that level of resistance, Milady could potentially start heading towards all-time highs. And there was a news that came out recently about Milady blacklisting people. that have bought early on, that are holding massive amounts of coins that, if they potentially could have dumped on the market, that could affect the price. And again, the blacklist, to be quite frank with you guys know on our channel, I'm not going to just say something that I don't believe in. If I believe in it, I'm going to say it. And if you like it, you like it. If you don't, that's just up to you, because at the end of the day, I have my own opinion. To be quite frank with you, I can't really know for sure if they have done that, unless I do hear from the team itself, or if you guys let me know in the comments section. But if they have done that, that people that bought back early on and then they can sell, I don't like that. I personally don't like that, because it's not their fault. It's not anyone's fault to be buying early and the project's blacklisting the coin because they are scared that they can dump and really affect the price. It doesn't matter. That does not matter. Everyone has the right, no matter how much money you have, early comers, No, we need to put ourselves in other people's shoes, right? Like, let's look at it from this point of view. Let's say we were like, of course, we don't tend to really care as much. But imagine if we were in those people's shoes. We bought Milady when it came out brand new, and now we're sitting on like $20 million and we can't sell. How would we feel? We'd feel absolutely like we're worthless and we're not part of the community. But of course, at the same time, there's people that have malicious thoughts and, hey, their overall intentions are not right, and if they have shown that and then they have blacklisted, great, amazing, go for it. But if they have blacklisted people that just regularly bought early on, I'm not for that, and I'm just going to put that right out there. That does not mean the price is not going to go up, but I just don't personally would agree with that if that is the case. But let me know, of course, let me know down below what you guys think. So basically what I'm projecting right now, I'm really liking this move towards the upside, especially us being above this level of resistance. If we break out of this level of resistance at this $1.30 mark, I would be very, very optimistic that we could be headed back towards all-time highs, and potentially we could even be testing those over the weekend and over the past few hours. What we have seen is the price is hovering between $100 million, goes back to $85, $100 million, $85. Remember guys, futures trading does happen with this coin, and I don't want any of you guys, my viewers, to put your money into futures trading. I cannot stress this enough guys, 99% or even higher the times you will end up losing your money because it's highly manipulated. So stay away from futures trading at all cost. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of $1.80 going. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the support, and also let me know if you guys want me to cover other meme coins. Hit that in the comments section. See you guys tomorrow. Crypto Unbox, and peace out.